Good day, everyone. I am Estorina Betizon, a BEd student of Amanda Coppy College. I know some of you are confused about article, so I am here to tackle about article. So what is an article? An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. A, an, and the are the articles. In English, there are two types of grammar articles. First, the definite article. Definite means clear and obvious. It tells us that the noun is specific, and the definite article in English is the. Example, I want the red apple. In the sentence above, we find the and the shows that the speaker wants a specific apple. Another example, the car I bought broke down. He has a son and a daughter. The daughter is a doctor. The actors were really good. I remember the day we first met. Also, we use the before both singular and plural nouns. Example, the flower he gave her was very beautiful. The flowers on the table are nice. Second, the indefinite article. Indefinite means not clear and not exact. It tells us that the noun is not specific. The indefinite article in English are a and an. Example, I need a chair. In the sentence above, we find article a. A shows that the speaker does not need a specific chair, so he can have any chair. Another, I want an apple. In that sentence, we find an article. It shows that the speaker does not want a specific apple, so he can have any apple. Next, we have the difference between a and an. A and an have the same meaning, but we use a before a consonant sound, such as a dog, a man, a building, and a country. Next, we use an before a vowel sound. Examples, an eye, an hour, an apple, an egg. Remember, we use a and an only before a singular noun. We can't use a and an before a plural noun, such as, instead of saying a cars, rather say a car. Instead of saying oranges, rather say an orange. So that was the explanation about article or the grammar articles. Now let's practice. Take the quiz challenge. Instruction. A, an, or the. Fill in the correct word. Number 1. I love blank presents I got. Number 2. He had blank feeling that something good is about to happen. Number 3. Don fixed blank car so you can drive it. Number 4. I am blank opera singer. Number 5. She is blank waitress. I hope you learned something on my discussion. And that's all. Thank you.